It's dangerous because of what we allow it to become when we stop questioning it. But don't worry, this video isn't about AI panic. It's actually about the psychology of how we as humans interact with it and the very real risks of treating predictive texts like professional insight. The first thing that we need to understand is that AI doesn't reason. It doesn't vet information. It simply predicts what words are likely to come next in a sequence. Large language models like ChatGPT are trained on very large data sets from books, websites, and articles. They use a machine learning architecture called a transformer neural network that analyzes that information and then generates new text that mimics it. Then, when you ask a question, the system calculates word by word what is statistically most likely to come next based on everything it has seen before. That's it. There's no checking for accuracy. There's no comparing against verified resources. No context beyond your prompt and its training data. It's essentially autocomplete on a massive scale. Imagine texting your boss or professor your next assignment using autocomplete. That would be a really bad idea, right? And yet, AI feels different, doesn't it? Somehow, when AI says something that sounds thoughtful or confident, it feels like expertise. But the truth is, at its core, it's just probability dressed up in slick grammar. So why do even experts keep getting fooled by this system? Part of it is speed. AI technology has evolved more quickly than most people, even professionals, can mentally model, than we can wrap our minds around. Most of us simply don't know how it works, what its limits are, or what makes it dangerous. But in addition to that, it actually taps into something deeper. Our brains are wired to trust things that sound fluent, polished, and emotionally resonant. It's called cognitive fluency bias. The easier something is to process, the more true it feels. Simply put, AI excels at this. It generates language that just flows. And we equate that fluency with credibility, even when it's flat out wrong. That's how fake legal citations make it into a courtroom, how teachers misidentify honest work, how journalists misreport, how people feel like AI is a better therapist than a human one. It's not a technological problem, it's a psychological one. I see words thrown around like sentient or intelligent, but the next point that I want to make is that AI is not. AI doesn't know what it's saying. It actually doesn't even know that it's saying anything. It's simply a mirror, a reflection of the data and the prompts that we feed it. Think of Narcissus staring into that pool of water, falling in love with his own reflection, not realizing there wasn't actually a person on the other side. AI is just a digital version of this. When it reflects our tones, our beliefs, and our arguments back to us convincingly, we start to feel like it's authoritative. So the problem isn't that AI can get things wrong,